fox out, right? Boom,
Yeah.
back, here, raise. You're looking at a slight V, not too wide, just a slight V. Then you invert on the center of the arm, not on the elbow. So you create an A, okay? V, A. Straight down like I just dropped 20 pounds on your elbow. All from the elbow, boom. Okay? Stretch out, press down, keep your elbows in place, and go to this position here. So you're gonna end up here, okay? Watch this, go, back down, okay? So take note of this, guys. Here, a little energy from the elbows, please, just a hair. Good, thinking forward, not up, okay? Pivot on the elbows and come to that. Very slowly, there's no sharp movements there. Just bring it into me. There you go, that's how you do it, okay? So if you grab my elbows, okay? Yeah, so I got a little forward here. Boom. What I'm not doing is this. I'm not going out at all. Press down. Han Sao, Chong Sao. Hands down, squeeze, rotate, back. You can go hands down. You can put the back of the palms together. I don't really care. The point is that there is a reverse Huan Sao there that does need to be accounted for.